Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore sync between B-roll and main audio in Premiere Pro, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Navigate to your timeline where the main audio and B-roll clips are located. Identify the main audio track and your B-roll footage. Select the B-roll clip that needs to be synced. Press the L key on your keyboard to play the audio. Listen carefully to the main audio while observing the B-roll footage. Look for a clear point of reference in both the audio and the video. Pause the playback at the point where you want to sync. Use the razor tool from the toolbar to cut the B-roll clip at the pause point. Select the B-roll clip segment that precedes the cut. Drag the clip left or right to align it with the main audio. Play the timeline again to check if the clips are properly synced. If needed, adjust the position of the B-roll clip for precise alignment. If there are multiple B-roll clips, repeat the process for each one. Once all clips are synced, select the audio track and the B-roll clips. Right-click and choose Nest to create a new sequence. This will keep your timeline organized and maintain the sync. Finally, perform a final playback and ensure everything is in sync. Your audio and B-roll clips are now properly restored and ready for further editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.